By merging Figma's design features with Zoho Creator's development flexibility, you have the opportunity to craft widgets that can significantly enhance your custom applications. In this guide, you will learn how to make widgets in Figma and integrate them into Zoho Creator. By following these steps, you'll have the knowledge to develop widgets that enhance the functionality of your Zoho Creator apps. To start making widgets from your Figma designs, you'll need to make use of the Zoho Creator Widgets Kit. This kit provides usage guidelines of supported components and crucial details to assist you in getting started. Begin by downloading the Widgets Kit. This kit contains everything you need and instructions to design widgets that integrate smoothly with Zoho Creator. Now, open Figma and import the Widgets Kit. To do this, click plus Create New button from the Figma's dashboard, then Import. Next, click Import from Computer, select the Zoho Creator widgetskit.fig file, and click Open. Finally, click Done to successfully import the file. To create your widget, carefully design its layout using Figma. Make adjustments to component attributes. From Figma's dashboard, under Drafts, select the Widgets Kit. Go to Pages, click on Add New Page, and name your page. This is where we will design the widget. When starting out, it's important to create a frame. Frames help organize your design by creating structure. Each frame can depict a screen or section of your widget. Select the Frame tool from the toolbar and draw a frame on the page. Now, under Design, you can position this frame, set its layout and appearance, and make other in-depth customizations. Adjust its size to match your desired widget size. The most crucial step is adding components to the frame to design the widget and giving it some functionality. Drag and drop the required components from the Widgets Kit into your frame. Go to Assets, click on Local Assets, and drag and drop the components you want for your widget. Then, go to File and ensure the layers within the frame are in the correct order. Each component should be contained within the frame, and you can also change the names of your components from here. To customize components, modify the properties of each component using the Design panel on the right side of Figma. Ensure that the syntax for each component remains intact to maintain compatibility. Once your design is complete, it's time to review and prepare it for conversion into a widget. Double-check that all components are correctly configured and adhere to the guidelines in the Widgets Kit. Then, right-click on the frame, go to Copy/Paste As, and select Copy Link to Selection to copy its frame URL for later import into Zoho Creator. To import your design into Zoho Creator, you need to create an access token. In Figma, go to your account settings and generate an access token. This special token permits Zoho Creator to view your design work. To reach account settings, click on Main menu, then click back to Files. From there, click on your profile in the top left corner, and then click on Settings. Under Account, scroll down to Personal Access Tokens and click on Generate New Token. A personal access token grants you access to the Figma API as if you were a single user. To create one, write a name for your access token, select an expiry date, configure its scope, and click Generate Token. Copy the access token, as you'll need it to import your widget designs from Figma to Zoho Creator. With your Figma design complete and its frame URL and access token in hand, you can now create the widget in Zoho Creator. Log in to your Zoho Creator account, hover over the application you want to edit and click Edit. Then in Design, hover over a form and click Open Page Builder. Next, go to Widgets, click on Custom, click plus Add New Widget, then click on Import from Figma. Enter a name for your widget. Paste your design's frame URL and access token from Figma you copied earlier, then click Create. Your widget will now be available in the Widgets section of Zoho Creator. Adding the widget to your application page allows you to utilize the custom functionality and design within your Zoho Creator application. To start using your newly created widget, add it to your applications page. In the Page Builder, drag and drop the desired widget onto your page from the Widgets section. Adjust the widget's placement and settings as needed. After that, click Done. You've successfully designed your widget in Figma and imported it into Zoho Creator. By harmonizing Figma's design finesse with Zoho Creator's development dexterity, you unlock a transformative potential to craft exceptional applications with interactive widgets. This powerful alliance empowers you to deliver intuitive, visually stunning, and functionally robust experiences.